Braised lamb in clay pot is a very popular dish in Hong Kong during winter, not only because it is delicious, and also we believe the lamb has the health-promoting properties. It is considered to have the effect of warming and promoting circulation and dispelling the cold. You want to try it? Let me show you how to do it. Here we have 600 grams of lamb breast. Remember to choose the one with the skin on it. Firstly, we blanch the lamb breast by putting it in boiling water with 2 slices of ginger for 10 minutes to get rid of the rough taste. Then cool down in iced water for 5 minutes. Then drain and set aside. We also soak 3 pieces of dried bean curd sticks in water for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, they're gonna get softened. Heat up 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pot over medium to low heat. Add the white part of scallion, shallots, and a lot of ginger. Here's around 10 slices of ginger, or you can add more. Sauté for 1 minute to release the aroma. The ginger is to get rid of the rough taste of the lamb. Then add 3 pieces of red bean curd, 1 tablespoon of Chu Hau Sauce, and 1 tablespoon of Hosin sauce. Red bean curd and Chu Hau Sauce are the key ingredients for the soup base. Sauté for 30 seconds to release the aroma. It smells very nice. Then add the lamb and mix well to coat the lamb evenly in the sauce. Perfect! Then add the Chinese mushroom, water chestnuts, which can balance the warming effect of the lamb. A piece of tangerine peel, which is to reduce the strong taste of the lamb. 2 star anise, and 30 grams of rock sugar, which acts as natural tenderizer. Oh, and a tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine to bring out the fragrance. Combine all the ingredients together. Then add the water to cover the lamb. Bring to boil. Simmer in high heat for 15 minutes. It looks very nice already. Then simmer in medium to low heat for 1 hour. Remember to stir the stew from time to time to prevent it from sticking. Add more water if necessary. After 1 hour, taste the lamb. Once it is tender, transfer the contents into a clay pot. I need to add a little bit more water. Then add the dried bean curd sticks and the bamboo shoots. Simmer in low heat for 15 minutes. Clay pots can keep the moisture of the meat and all the flavors of the ingredients very well. Great, we still have some time. Let's make the sauce. Here we have 3 pieces of preserved white bean curd. Add 1 tablespoon of water and mix well. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. A bit of chili to your taste. And that's the sauce for the lamb. Great! After 15 minutes, and you can see it is so nice, and garnished with green part of the scallion. And this is the braised lamb in clay pot. It is delicious, isn't it? Have it in hot pot style, and recently we have some veggie with it. Also, it tastes very well with Chu Hou. Have the lamb with the sauce. Very good. The lamb is really tender and juicy. This dish is perfect for winter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. I'll see you next time.